Dear students, we are going to discuss chapter 9 of the book First Flight, that is Madam Rides the Bus, written by Valikanan. Valikanan is a pseudonym of R.S. Krishnaswamy. He was a great Tamil writer. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award for his critical work on modern Tamil poetry. Let us see what is there in the story Madam Rides the Bus, written by Valikanan. This story is about an 8-year-old girl called Valli. She had no friends, but she did not feel sad about it. She did not sleep in the afternoon, but stood outside her door watching what was happening on the street. One day she heard her friend describe her first bus journey. She thought her friend was proud, but it filled her with a desire to experience a bus ride and have fun. Valli was a good observer and a good listener. She gathered from people's casual conversations that the town was 6 miles away and that the bus took 45 minutes to reach, and its fare one way was 30 paise. Valli did not have that kind of money, so she decided to save the money by ignoring all the lovely things that she loved, such as toys, peppermints, rides on a merry-go-round, etc. Over a period of time, she was able to save enough money. She had also calculated that journey up and down the town would need 2 hours. Her mother usually took a nap of about 2 hours in the afternoon. Valli decided to slip out during this period and be back before her mother was up. This way, her absence would not be noticed. On the planned day, Valli stood at the corner of the street and waved out to the bus to stop. The conductor was surprised and amused to see such a young girl wanted to travel alone. He made fun of her, but Valli spoke in a commanding tone, and did not like anyone calling her a child. She had paid the full fare of an adult, so she wanted to be treated like one. The conductor was amused by her actions and addressed her as a madam. Valli wanted to look out of the window, but it was covered with canvas at the bottom, which blocked her view. So she decided to stand up on the seat. She hated it when she was told to sit down. Eventually, the conductor told her that since she had paid for her seat, she might as well travel comfortably. Valli decided to sit only after some passengers boarded the bus at one of the stops. She was worried that her seat might be taken away, so she sat down. An old lady came and sat next to her. She asked Valli if she was traveling alone. Valli did not like being treated as a child. She gave one angry look to the woman and found lots of defects in her to make her hate her. She found her absolutely ugly and repulsive. Valli enjoyed the scene outside very much. She was excited to see how the trees passed by in the opposite direction and how the bus seemed to gobble up a vehicle coming from the opposite direction. She was most excited to see a young cow running wildly in front of the bus, and each time the driver blew the horn, and the cow would only speed up but still run in front of the bus. When the bus reached the town, Valli kept sitting because she had neither the money to buy something nor was it a part of her plan. She only wanted a bus ride back, for which she had enough money. On her way back, she was equally excited to see the scenery outside, but then the bus passed by a dead cow which had been run down by a speeding car. This was the same cow she had enjoyed so much on her previous journey. The sight of the dead cow made her sad, and she did not want to look out of the window anymore. Back home, she found her mother already awake and talking to one of the most gossipy aunts. When Valli entered, her aunt asked where she had been. The two ladies were talking about the outside world, but Valli told them that so much was happening in the outside world about which they had no knowledge. On hearing this, the aunt remarked that she was talking like a mature person. So, dear students, this story is basically about a brave girl who had a strong desire and the courage to fulfill it. I hope this video is really fruitful to you to understand this chapter well. Thank you.